Today I have a Hp Probook G440 laptop. Today I will install Windows 11 in this PC. Okay. For this work I need a one bootable pen drive, and this one is the bootable pen drive for Windows 11. At first I will insert this USB port, and after that turn on the power and press the F9. Okay, for the boot menu. Frequently press it. This is important, and you can see here is entering the boot menu, and here is you can see the skin and Windows boot manager. It will be boot from the hard drive, and UEFI 162689809, and this one is the our pen drive. And if I choose this here, and it's booting from the pen drive. Okay, press it. It will take some time. And now this laptop is booting from this pen drive, and here is so many options: F12, F10, and for the BIOS, and multiple option. I am just showing the Windows 11 how we can install it very easily and simple way. And press the next, and press the next, and here is a Windows 11 is installed, and I agree for this. And I don't have the license key. I will use the crack version, and I don't have the product key. And after that you can do this job perfectly, and select the Windows 11 Pro, and I will use the Windows 11 Pro. Accept. I will format the C drive, and you can do this job, and you have to remember which partition you are using in install for the Windows. Okay, and you have to identify. Here is a 2 hard disks, and you can see here is one SSD type for 120 GB, and another one is 1 terabyte one, and I will install the operating system on this drive. Okay, 111 GB. Create it. And this was the important thing, and I have to be sure. Okay, and after that you just follow the command, and you just do this, and it automatically install your Windows. Partition 1, next, and install. Now our Windows is ready. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.